Well, a very good morning to you from the trading room with me, Nick. And today we've had Australian data come out. You know, the assistant governor has spoken. Don't know what he said. Um, the confidence level is 9. It was 11 last time, but 9 now. Nothing much to write home about there. And the home loans month on month, which is not a big number to worry about, is slightly more negative than forecast, but nothing really staggering there. And there's no other information for the rest of the day about the Australian dollar. And we will be out before the big US news tonight at 7:30, because just to show you that there's a lot of time zones to think about here. But I've got 6 hours and 42 minutes to go, which is about 1 hour before that major news announcement. Now, we have been on the right side of the trade around here because we want to be lower than the barrier. The barrier is here, okay? So we want to be lower than 78.72.6. And we've got 6 hours and 41 minutes or so counting down to achieve that. So my prediction, which could be completely wrong, but my prediction is that the US dollar will gain a little bit of strength against the Australian dollar in the London session. Now, I actually don't like being involved with the London session, but that's by the by, because New York is still ahead of us. But that's a topic for another day. What I will say is that it's looking reasonable. We're only 3 pips on the wrong side of the trade. I mean, it's obviously changing a little bit as I speak, because the Asian market is open, but that's not where the big volume is. However, the Australian is can be affected with economic news during the Asian session, and we're looking for a pullback. Basically, it's as simple as that. As long as we are below 78.72.6 in 6 hours and 40 minutes from now, we will be looking at another winning trade. Now, you'd probably say, well, he hasn't put much on this trade. And the reason for that is I'm very strict about risk management. And it was a trade where I didn't really want to miss an opportunity, but I wasn't, hugely confident about it. But I thought it's worth risking a very small part peak out on it. There you go, 6 hours and 40 minutes now, a little under. So that's the situation. And currently we're at 3 pips the wrong side of the trade. Looking at here. This is the daily, which is looking good. Some selling action here. This is a good indicator, by the way, for the imbalance between buyers and sellers. So red is good. Red is one of my favorite colors for this. On the 4 hour, it's also red. And on the 1 hour, well, it's nothing much happening. And down here with the volume going through, it's low volume really, but it's a low volume time of day. I mean, Asia doesn't do a huge amount, not compared to London and New York. And when London and New York are trading together, obviously there's a huge amount of price action going on, and it's easier to determine market direction. So this is an update of the trade I placed last night. From me, Nick, wherever you are in the world today, be good, be happy, be good to each other, and I hope you have a good day.